video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lay your edges. I lay my edges with the black Got To Be glue. I ain't tried the yellow one, but the yellow and white, so I feel like that wouldn't even work for me. But I like this one. And if you want to see how I got my hair like this, it's gonna be another video up on my channel about that. So look in the description. I'll put the link in the description and all that good stuff. But let's get right. So what you need for this video is I use an edge brush I got from Tori, a silk scarf or some type of scarf to tie it down. Of course, you need the Got To Be glue. I usually like get the top of a container or something. It's a different edge control, which I don't like all, but whatever. And I'll put it on top of the top of a bottle or something. So dab my brush in there. I just take it and like pull out some hair with the brush. Yes, move it. I'm gonna pick up some more. You don't want too much on the brush. You want to do little by little. And I'll put my finger on the part that I want to milk. Go like this. Put your finger there and then go pull it straight back. So it creates that swoop. So I'm gonna do the rest. And sometimes like I go over it a couple times. You know how I feel. Just pull out some hair. And swoop it. Go over this one again. You just go over it till you get it the way you want it. Okay, and then sometimes like I pull this hair right here, this little piece, I pull it behind my hair. That's my country for me. So I just brush it behind my ear a little bit. And that's how I do that. Yeah, go over it. So like, you're going over it until I get it right. But that's for the most part. I just swipe with my finger and pull back. Swipe, my finger, pull back. And I do my sideburn. I guess put some gel on it. Like pull them to the front of my face. Yeah, put my finger there. Yeah. Just make it like curl. So that's it.
Forgive you, I remember I was poor. The sign in the way of what you're reaching for. Gotta play the game, you gotta reach the score. See, I'ma do the same and pop the clutch for. Tell me if I want it, gotta hustle for it. Only difference now the money more mature. Young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga. Get your money, young nigga. Get your money, young nigga. Young nigga, young nigga. Get the money, young nigga. Get the money, young nigga. Get the money, young nigga. Keep God first, though. Take that. In the club and my cups half empty. Ride with my niggas 'cause my niggas understand me. Still on plan A, pussy niggas on plan B. Right now, motherfucker, let's go. Yeah, what can make a nigga wanna go and get it? Said he want a Beamer with the subs in it. Said he grew up in a house and it was love missing. Said he grew up in the city, keep his gun with him. Young nigga, young nigga. Let's go. Young nigga. And he don't need a reason, he a young nigga. And you don't want your daughter or your sons with him. Young nigga. Young nigga, just young nigga. Probably never understand him. Till he pull up in the Phantom. When he pull up in the Phantom, he gon' have that shit blasted. That's right. Like young nigga, just young nigga. Young nigga, just young nigga. What they call you, where you from, nigga? In my city, that was question number one, nigga. Looking at the legend I become, nigga. I can't help but feeling like I am the one, nigga. Remember, I was on the run, nigga. Couple years before you had a
So now I'm about to just like sit here for like 5 or 10 minutes until it dries, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just let it dry for a minute. So now I'm gonna take the scarf off. See that? Wait. Okay. So yeah, that's basically just what I do for my edges. Like anytime I do them, I don't do them all the time, but like if I feel like doing them, that's what I usually do for now until I find something else to like lay them with. I usually use this. Got TV clips. Some bobby pins to hold my hair up sometimes, but you won't always need it. And a scarf. That's basically it. So yeah, thank you for watching this quick little video, but thank you for watching. Make sure you come back and subscribe, like, comment, all of that.